Hi, welcome back. Big updates in the Tong ecosystem today. New milestones, major approvals, and exciting growth. Let's dive right in. Tungsten Custody Solutions has officially received approval from the Financial Services Regulatory Authority in the Abu Dhabi Global Market. This means they can now securely store Tong coin for institutional investors while ensuring full regulatory compliance. What does this mean? It means enhanced transparency and security, simplified withdrawals via fragment, and fewer verification codes needed. This move aligns with the growing Tong interest in the UAE, home to the Tong DLT Foundation, and follows Tether's recent UAE Dirham Peg stablecoin launch on the Tong network. Next up, the January to February 2025 ecosystem report is here, and it's been another strong couple of months for Tong. More users, infrastructures, upgrades, and new projects across DeFi, NFTs, payments, and gaming. Here are the highlights. Manuel Stolz joins as the Tong Foundation's new president, leading US expansion. Tong is now the exclusive blockchain for Telegram mini apps, locking in his role in Telegram's Web3 future. Layer 0 is live, making USDT transfers seamless between Tong, Ethereum, Tron, and Arbitrum, with 100+ chains on the way. TVM Ventures rolls out a $100 million fund backing the next wave of DeFi, PayFi, and infrastructure projects. USDT supply on Tong hits $1.4 billion, keeping Tong as the fastest growing blockchain for Tether issuance. Tong is making big moves, and things are only getting started. Let me know what you think in the comments. What's the most exciting update for you? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.